Hello friends. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to talk about the HPO project, which is scheduled to start its pre-sale on November 25th. I'd be glad if you stick with me until the end of the video. First, let's discuss some of the latest posts shared by the HPO project on its official channel. According to these posts, the HPO token will be launched using the ILO method. Let me explain what this method entails. With ILO, the project is launched in a transparent and decentralized manner. Anyone can buy or sell the tokens without the need for registration or specific documentation. Additionally, the token's price is determined entirely by supply and demand. Now, let's cover some essential points you should know before this launch. Launch date, November 25th, make sure you're prepared for it. Initial price, 2 cents, though this may fluctuate based on supply and demand. You can easily purchase these tokens and participate in the pre-sale through the Tunkeeper wallet or the Ston.fi exchange. Furthermore, you have the option to create a liquidity pool, allowing you to earn profits from the pool you establish. Here's the schedule for the airdrop distribution. Early stackers, 2 weeks after the TGE, December 9, 2024. NFT holders, 4 weeks after the TGE, December 23, 2024. Partners, 6 weeks after the TGE, January 6, 2025. Hipo gang, 7 weeks after the TGE, February 25, 2025. You can also find this distribution plan on the official Hipo website. These are some of the future plans for this credible airdrop. Thank you for staying with me until this point in the video. I hope we can make a good profit from this project. Until the next video, goodbye.